Crypto never sleeps, and neither should your profits. Want to automate your trades and earn passive income 24/7? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI trading bots to grow your crypto portfolio on autopilot. Let's dive in. Look, we all know the crypto markets are open 24/7, 365 days a year. But who has time to sit there and watch charts all day long, waiting for the perfect trading opportunity? Not me, and I'm guessing not you either. That's where these crypto trading bots come in. These bots are like your own personal trading assistants. They analyze the market, execute trades instantly, and best of all, they manage risk without letting emotions get in the way. That means no more panic selling when Bitcoin takes a dip. We've all been there. And say goodbye to FOMO buying at the top. You know that feeling you get when you buy an asset at its peak and it immediately crashes afterward? Yeah, we're eliminating that. And the best part is, you don't need to be some coding whiz to use these bots. They're designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. In fact, even professional traders use bots to stay ahead of the market. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your portfolio, making sure you're always in the right trades at the right time. And trust me, once you go bot, you'll never want to go back to manual trading again. So you might be thinking, okay, these bots sound great and all, but how do they actually work? Well, think of it like this. You're the boss, and the bot is your highly skilled employee. You set the rules, the parameters, and the bot executes your trades 24/7 based on your instructions. No need to micromanage, it's all automated. Now there are two main types of bots. First, you have rule-based bots. These are great for beginners because they're very straightforward. You set specific conditions like buy Bitcoin if the price drops 5%, or sell Ethereum if it goes up 10%. Simple as that. Then you have AI-powered bots. These are the more sophisticated option, using machine learning to analyze market trends and optimize trades. They're constantly learning and adapting to new information, which can lead to more profitable trades over time. But regardless of which type of bot you choose, most of them rely on key indicators to make trading decisions. One of the most popular indicators is the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. This helps identify overbought or oversold conditions, which can signal a potential trend reversal. Then you have the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which helps identify changes in trend direction and momentum. And of course, you can't forget about Bollinger Bands, which measure price volatility and can help you time your trades for maximum profit. By combining these indicators, bots can automatically enter and exit trades at the optimal times, 24/7, without you lifting a finger. It's like having a team of expert analysts working for you around the clock. Now let's get to the good stuff. The actual trading bots you can use to start automating your crypto investments. There are a ton of options out there, but I've narrowed it down to my top picks for 2025. First up, we have Pionex. This platform is perfect for beginners because it offers free built-in bots and doesn't charge any monthly fees. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of bot trading without breaking the bank. Next, we have 3 Commas. This platform is a step up from Pionex, offering more advanced automation features, copy trading, and integration with multiple exchanges. If you're looking for more control and customization, 3 Commas is a solid choice. Then there's Binance Bots, which is directly integrated with Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. This makes it super convenient for scalping and spot trading on the Binance platform. If you're looking for a more AI-powered solution, Bitsgap is a great option. This platform excels at grid trading and portfolio balancing, using advanced algorithms to optimize your trades for maximum profitability. And finally, we have Crypto Hopper. This platform is perfect for experienced traders who want to create their own custom bot strategies with the help of AI-assisted trading. It's a powerful tool that can give you a significant edge in the market. Now, if you're just starting out, I recommend going with Pionex. It's user-friendly, affordable, and has everything you need to get started with automated trading. But if you're looking for more advanced features and customization, 3 Commas or Crypto Hopper are excellent choices. Alright, so you've chosen your trading bot, now what? Setting up your bot is actually a lot easier than you might think. Seriously, it only takes a few minutes to get up and running. First things first, you need to sign up for an account on your chosen platform and deposit some funds. I recommend starting with a small amount that you're comfortable with, maybe around $100 to $500. No need to go all in right away, especially when you're just starting out. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before jumping in head first. Once you've got some funds in your account, you'll need to select a bot type. If you're not sure where to begin, a grid trading bot is a solid choice, especially in markets that are moving sideways rather than trending strongly up or down. With your bot selected, it's time to set your parameters. This is where you tell the bot how much risk you're willing to take and what kind of profits you're aiming for. Adjust your profit targets, stop loss levels, and trade size to match your risk tolerance and investment goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and fine-tune these settings as you gain more experience, and that's it. Once you've set your parameters, activate your bot and watch it go to work. Your bot is now live, trading automatically, 24/7, based on your instructions. It's like having your own personal trading assistant working tirelessly to grow your portfolio. Now, even though the bot is doing the heavy lifting, it's still important to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Remember, the crypto market is constantly changing, so what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay informed, adapt your strategies, and never stop learning.
North and South, Medley.
Chapter 5. Now, if you want to take your bot trading to the next level and really maximize your profits, you need to choose the right trading strategy. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 3 proven methods that work incredibly well with trading bots. First up, we have grid trading. This strategy is perfect for volatile markets where prices are bouncing up and down within a range. The bot places buy and sell orders at different price levels, creating a grid-like pattern. As the price fluctuates, the bot automatically buys low and sells high, profiting from those price swings. It's a great way to generate consistent returns in choppy market conditions. Next, we have dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. This strategy is ideal for long-term investors who are looking to reduce risk and smooth out volatility. The bot buys a fixed amount of cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the price. Over time, this averages out your purchase price and reduces the impact of market fluctuations. It's like a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing. And finally, we have momentum trading. This strategy uses technical indicators like RSI and MACD to identify trends in the market. The bot enters trades when it detects a strong price movement, riding the momentum for maximum profit. This strategy can be incredibly lucrative, but it also comes with higher risk. So, which strategy is right for you? If you're looking for steady, consistent profits with lower risk, grid trading or DCA are great options. But if you're willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher rewards, momentum trading might be the way to go. Chapter 6. Alright, are you ready for a pro-level tip that can take your bot trading to the next level? This is the secret sauce that separates the amateurs from the pros. It's called AI-powered smart trading. Some of the more advanced trading platforms like Bitsgap and 3 offer AI-driven risk management features. This means your bot can automatically adjust its strategy based on real-time market conditions. It's like having a personal trading mentor guiding your every move. Instead of blindly following fixed rules, these AI-powered bots learn from past trades, analyze market data, and optimize their strategies for higher profits. They're constantly adapting and evolving, just like the market itself. Want better results with less effort? Enabling AI-powered stop-loss and take-profit settings is a game-changer. Your bot will automatically adjust these levels based on market volatility and other factors, ensuring you're always protected from significant losses while maximizing your profit potential. It's like having a safety net and a profit accelerator all in one. Trust me, once you experience the power of AI-powered smart trading, you'll never want to go back to basic bots. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a Tesla, a total game-changer. Chapter 7. And there you have it. That's how you automate your crypto trading and start generating passive income in 2025 and beyond. Remember, the crypto market never sleeps, but with the power of trading bots, you can earn while you sleep, travel, or even just enjoy a relaxing day off. Which bot are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you'd like a full tutorial on setting up any of these bots, just let me know, and I'll make it happen. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm constantly sharing valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the exciting world of crypto and build long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you found it helpful and you're now one step closer to automating your crypto investments and generating passive income. Remember, time is money, especially in the fast-paced world of crypto. So why not put your money to work for you 24/7 with the power of trading bots? It's like having your own personal money-making machine working tirelessly while you focus on the things you enjoy. As always, do your own research, make informed decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.